Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK, and I'm just quickly coming on to share this cute simple card that I made for the latest Global Design Project theme challenge. It was all about rain or shine, and that's the name of this designer series paper, and I haven't shared any cards on here that I've made with this paper. It's really pretty. It's got some shiny elements to it. I don't know if that's picking that up. I'm filming this late at night or later in the day than normal. Our lovely neighbours are renovating, so couldn't really do anything. There was too much noise, and now they're having a party because it's one of their birthdays. So we will hopefully this will just be a very quick card. So this is the card that I submitted for the challenge, and it was using the Playing in the Rain stamps and dies. Now I didn't actually use many of the dies, any of the dies at all, because I fussy cut. Oh, tell a lie, I used these. But this stamp set, you've got a die that will cut the bunny, you've got a die that will cut the and you can see the difference. So the little tortoise, this is the plants, or you've got the clouds. I'm going to use, that's the only one that I used, and then this is the fox. But you've got the puddle, some bits of grass, some butterflies, a wooden stump. This is for a kite. These three bits are for a kite, and then you've got a brolly and a bridge. So that's a really useful bundle. I'm going to pop that to the side. But I used DSP. This sadly is retiring, but it's got some great elements, and I don't know if you can see this. You can just about see the shine there. So I am cutting out some of the cute images. In fact, I've already cut them out so that you don't have to see me do it. But look at this sheet, it's beautiful. I used both sides of this paper for my previous card, and then in today's I'm going to use both bits of this. So there we are, and there's some more cute little characters here. They're just so fab, and again you can see the shining. They've got nice images on the back as well, so that's fabulous. Sadly, this is retiring. It's the last day. In fact, I think it's sold out. It was in the mini catalogue, which retires, I think, today or tomorrow. So, it's too late for that. But the stamp set and the dies are carrying over. So I'll just put this one off to one side. I've got thick basic white standard base. All the measurements will be on my blog. I have got a tiny bit of basic white, and then this is the designer series paper. So this measures 10.2 by 14.5 centimeters, and then I've cut the second bit down. It is 9.2 by 13.5 centimeters, and I think that's just going to be really pretty. Now I used a sentiment from a retired stamp set before. Rain or shine, you're always on my mind. Under my umbrella. I think this is, I've shared some projects with this before, and I'll put a link, but I like that sentiment. And then this is just a bit of card, and I'm going to just tear a little bit of that off. I'm going to use that for as the background for my characters. And I have already fussy cut. You didn't need to see me fussy cut. And it's just going to be very easy. So I'm going to use those. And she's going to have a little brolly. I'm not sure which direction they're going to be. I'm just going to do some heat embossing. On some vellum to do the clouds, because I think that's, I like the idea of that. So I've got some Versamark, my Dust Buddy, what did I do with my stamp set? I had it. I don't know why I put the clouds back in the bowl. And I actually haven't put my, this is a cling stamp set, I haven't put my stickers on. Does everybody know how to do the stickers? If not, leave me a comment and I will show you. They make them super sticky, but as you can see, that's stuck on there really well anyway. So you don't really, I don't always do it straight away. So let me just bring in my white powder. Now I don't know, I normally use, this has got two speeds, full and low, high, low, and on vellum I always use the lower setting, so it's takes a little bit longer, but I think it stops it from curling up. So we'll just quickly take this to bring my little cut and emboss machine. Let's see if I can get this. That's simple. They are going to be easy to lose, I think. I'm Just run that through a second time. Let's just line that up. Fabulous. So let's bring this back. We'll just such a simple card. Try and get that. Now, I think that looks good like that. Yeah, so let's get some little mini stamping dimensionals. Oh. We need to stick that down first, don't we? For once, it's not my dog barking in the back garden, which is good. Where did that bit go? There we go. Just drop that. Tiny little bit on that flower. So let's stamp. Let's try and work out. I'm going to put that there, that there. So I'm going to put the sentiment this time here. Let's get some. The lighting is terrible. I am sorry about that. As I say, it's later in the day than normal. Put that there. I wonder what my nails actually look like. Tried a new mineral bond system that I'd seen advertised online, and I'm not sure I did a super job with it, but oh, fell off my flower. Doesn't want to stick on there, does it? Too tiny, maybe. Okay. So cute. And what I tend to do is put a little bit of wet glue on those bottom bits there, and then you elevate the body, and I think that looks really cute. And then let's see, this one up here. stick down that 1 foot, and then I'm going to pop a tiny little bit there for the handle of the brolly. There we go. Now I've got sticky fingers. Yeah, so it's been a little while since I've done a video. I'm not being very consistent at the moment, but we are converting a van into a camper. We've had friends staying, and you know, life gets in the way sometimes, but I do try to do weekly. Doesn't always work. Now, there we go. I'm not going to put any gems on. I think that's so cute. There we go. Look at those. Aren't they lovely? Anyway, I've put links to my blog, and oh, I didn't put my clouds on. I thought there was something missing. See? So the way I'm going to do this is just put a blob on my finger, and then I find if you just pop it on the back there and put it down quite quickly, but rub it very thinly. You actually can't see it. And that's going to make me a bit sticky, but I don't care. I'm going to put, I know I've got 6 of these, but I'm going to put 5 on. How cute are they? There we go. So thank you very much. Oh, and I must share, I was going to do a blog post and I ran out of time. This was my entry to last week's design project, global design project sketch challenge, and it was picked as one of the winners. So how amazing is that? So I did a plate of cookies because adulting is hard. I think you'll all agree. It is sometimes. Anyway, this is this week. Thank you for watching. Before I waffle too much more, I shall press stop. Bye for now.